actually sent this post on my blog, and several days ago, one of the friends come to me and asked for a method to back up actually his nodes, and I thought it is good because it is independent, and you are independent from Notion. And it is offline because Obsidian is offline, and it's good. And recently it became more powerful, so it is more useful now. First of all, you need to create a free repository, to create a new repository, and I did it, and make sure it will be private. And then you have to continue to here, copy this part and paste it on your actually terminal. And here, for example, I want to type test.gmail.com and name it. For here I say test Obsidian and hit enter. Don't put any passwords here, just hit enter and then hit enter, and two files will be created. This is our key, which we have to copy and paste in actually deploy key in GitHub, and the files are not listed here actually. Oh, they are listed here. I forgot to replace them to move it to SSH folder. So first of all, cat the test obsidian.pub as I've written here. After creating these files, move these files to this part and try to add it, and so on. You can read this section. I will actually send the link under the video. And here we have to copy the content of this file to GitHub repository. So cat it, and as you can see, this is the file that we need. We have, this is the text that we need. We copy it and we go here in settings. I'm really sorry. And in the setting, add a deploy key, and right here, for example, Obsidian or anything that you like, and paste it here, preferably without any new line. Allow write access, it's so important because you cannot create more updates then. So add the key, and this key is available. It has not been used yet, as you can see. So we have to go down, deploying key added, and use this command. So I want to use this part, and to see, okay, where am I? So now I know how can I find this file here, and then copy this file name and paste it here. Pay attention, you don't need to use the pub file, this file, you don't need to use this file, you have to use this file, and then go to your repository and in code use SSH and use this part of the code, and as you can see, git clone. So git clone and the part that has been copied, and hit enter. Okay, it's not a folder, it's a file, so I have to change the name, unfortunately. And what can I do is, for example, test Obsidian, name it, and copy and paste the new part. I didn't know, I thought that it's like Linux, that it is a file, and the folder and file should be actually faced separately. Anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Git clone, hit enter, and you can see that it's trying to, it's an empty repository. So go to created folder, test Obsidian git, and we have nothing here. But if we go deeply, there is this file here. As I wrote here, you can open this file and add some details to it. I strongly recommend to move your K file to this directory. In MacBook, as I see, it has a new location. You have to move your actually K to this part. So go and open this file, and here add these two sections, user and core. So we're going down, paste it, and use your name, your email, and the proper SSH path. So I will save it. I'm really sorry, I'm not actually somehow adapted to this keyboard, the MacBook keyboard. So I copy this part and I move it here. And okay, one thing I did wrong, and that is I have to move this part. Okay, I have to copy here and move it to here. So it will be like this, and we don't need these ones, so we are done. And now, if you actually make any file, for example, touch new and nano new, and write something to check if it's working or not, we say that git commit -a-n, sorry, and for example new. Oh, I'm really sorry, there should be a git add star commit and git push. And if you've done anything right, it will be uploaded. So we can come here and refresh the website, and as you can see, our new file has been published to the repository, and it's okay. So write something. So anything is okay here, and it's working. So I want to go to my Obsidian and do something. Okay, as you can see, it's working greatly. Maybe if you're using Linux, you will face some problem, and you have to solve it. I remember that I had this problem, this permission is too open, so you have to use this command. If you are using Linux, it comes out kind of different. So here I open my, and then you have to go to here, plugins, community plugins, and browse the plugin and search for Git. The internet connection is not very well, so I'm really sorry. You have to install this Git Obsidian. It has a new update, so we don't need that anymore. And here, I have to find it. Okay, and here you have to set this to 10 minutes or whatever you want. And as long as I remember, then you don't need to do anything, because it will be done by SSH. And actually, as long as I know, or actually I understand, is that Obsidian and this plugin try to actually use these commands, git add, git commit, and git push one by one, so anything will be automated. And as we added the details to proper file, the credentials to this file, as you can see, actually everything is done by this section, and Obsidian will use git, and you are all set, and you can use your Obsidian. So you can do it several times, but make sure that you have a backup of your Obsidian files.